power. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in such way that little else does. Hello and warm good morning to all. Today the sun is bright, the sky is clear, and the breeze is blowing gently. On this pleasant day, I, Vardhan, warmly welcome you all to the special assembly of National Sports Day. On this day, we celebrate the birthday of a legendary Indian hockey player named as Major Dhyan Chand, who brought glory to our country by winning 3 Olympic gold medals. Major Dhyan Chand was a great magician of hockey and proved that with utmost effort and determination you can gain perfection to turn your work into unbelievable magic. I request you all to give them a big applause. Dear friends, people often tend to overlook the importance of sports and games in their daily life. Taking part in sports not only keeps a person fit and healthy, it helps a person learn several lessons of discipline, responsibility, and teamwork.
Melodious voices soothe our bodies, make us feel refreshed. By hearing music, a person can relax, both the body and mind at the same time. Music helps us get rid of all unwanted thoughts and anxieties and stress from our lives. Without any doubt, music is a great medicine for healing the wounds of our minds. Music has shown to help athletes reduce feeling of fatigue, increase their tolerance to pain and improve their mood and motivation. Now students of class 12th are coming for a music performance.
Wonderful performance. Thanks all of you for your melodious performance. Sports is an important part of one's life. Taking part in sports keeps a person fit in every sense. Sports is even more important for students as it helps them release stress, stay healthy and focus well.
Hansen was a great magician of hockey. So let us introduce Major Hansen.
Used it in the British Indian regiments and who quickly picked up the game. In the Olympic Games, India played the hockey for the first time in 1928, held in Amsterdam, and won the title. India lifted Olympic hockey crown for 5 times in a row, and I was a proud member of that team. It is not my country's duty to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead. If you could not get a goal from that, you did not deserve to be on my team. Thank you.
Teaches lessons of life such as teamwork, accountability, self-confidence, responsibility, and self-discipline. I would like to call him out from class 5 to share some special moments from Commonwealth Games that made us proud.
Today I am here to speak about Commonwealth Games. Despite the absence of sporting discipline like shooting, tennis, archery and Greco-Roman wrestling, India recorded a fabulous campaign at the Commonwealth Games 2022 as the athletes returned home with an impressive 61 medals. The 61 medals. Meanwhile, Mirabai Chanu was India's first gold medalist at the Commonwealth Games, this edition winning the women 49 kg competition. Thank you.
That is so inspiring. Thank you, Hima, for sharing this information with us. Sports and school help prepare students to face the challenges of life. They enhance physical and mental abilities of students and help them achieve their goals.
Along with the physical health benefits, cricket also helps in improving team skills, social skills such as cooperation, communication, and learning how to do winning and losing. We all know our Master Blaster, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Let us welcome Giri Cat Master Blaster, Sachin Tendulkar.
I hold the record of scoring most number of runs in the World Cup tournament. I scored 2,278 runs in 45 matches at an average 56.95. I also scored record of scoring maximum century 6 and half centuries 15 in the World Cup tournament. People throw stones at you and you convert them into milestones. Don't stop chasing your dream because dream to come true. Thank you.
Now, let us enjoy a game performance. Composer of athletes. Dance sports develops physical strength, agility, coordination, stamina, endurance, and fitness. Its practice has an anti-bullying effect. It promotes discipline, respect to others,